Can you hear the rain? Hello, viewers. It's a rainy day here at Hanok in Daegu, South Korea. Here we are, and I'm going to taste some traditional Korean alcohol. This is not from Daegu, but I did buy it in a department store here. This is Gyeongju Beopju, and this is a Changju. It looks very pale colored, and this Gyeongju Beopju brand, I've tasted other products from them before. I've tasted their makgeolli and enjoyed that. This, according to the label here, this is a Korean legendary wine, an exquisite premium wine. Okay, so let's check out the ingredients. This is 13% alcohol. The ingredients are water, rice, glucose, wheat nuruk, citric acid, lactic acid, yeast, and ipguk. And this is pasteurized. The shelf life is 2 years. And the price of this was 9,600 won, which is around $7.40 USD right now. Let's try it out. Okay, so this is it is fairly pale yellow, and the aroma is a bit fruity and sweet. Maybe like a sweet flower. Okay, but then after the very beginning, the taste is not sweet. It's quite dry. Then lingering taste is buttery. Yeah, just a bit nutty and buttery. A bit astringent at the end. So I'm guessing this is how a premium Changju is supposed to taste. It wasn't that expensive, but it's more expensive than some. Yeah, so pretty light overall. Flavor is not heavy. Yeah, and any fruitiness is in the aroma. And nice and dry. So in the end, it's clean. So that's what this is. This is Gyeongju Beopju. It's a Changju. It doesn't say Changju on the label. It does contain nuruk and ipguk. I'm not tasting the nuruk. In fact, is it? Let me check. Is it wheat nuruk? Yeah, it is wheat nuruk. So yeah, I'm not tasting nuruk I'm not tasting the nuruk flavor in here, the wheat nuruk flavor, but yeah. So this is clean and light, even though it's 13%. Okay, interesting. Well, if you have the chance to drink some delicious Korean alcohol, do it. And I appreciate you spending time with me today. Thank you for watching.